Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss problem number 5th of Coursera Starter 213. So what the question says, we are given a string s and we are given an integer k, and we have to concatenate the string s k times. So if I suppose this example s equal to and concatenate 2 times, so s become this. After this we have to perform one operation. In one operation we can replace any I with any character. We can replace one I with any character. So after performing all operation we have to find maximum number of adjacent characters that are equal. So if I see this example, if I replace I with A, it become like this. So total number of character adjacent characters that are equal 4. For this the answer will be 4. If I replace I with B, so it become B. So again we got the total number of adjacent characters that are equal is again 4. So answer is 4. So that we have to find. So let's suppose this test case. In this case there is no character other than I. So simply in that case what we can do, simply we can replace I with any character. If I replace I with A, so it become all A. So what number of adjacent characters that are equal? It will be 4. So if and the length is 5, the adjacent character will be n minus 1. So this is for one copy. We are given what we have to find for k copies. So if all characters are I, we can simply say that number of total adjacent characters that are equal will be n into k minus 1. So for this answer will be 5 into 4 minus 1, that is 19. Okay, that's the one case. Okay, let's suppose the second case. If s equal to aii ib and k equal to 3. So let's first solve for one copy. Let's forget about k copies. We solve for only one copy, then we will extend this to k copies. So for this I can replace I with either its left neighbor to match with maximum number of adjacent character equal. Either we can replace I with right neighbor. So its left neighbor is A, right neighbor is B. So either I can replace all I with A, either all I with B. So if I replace with A, it become this. So total number of adjacent characters that are equal, total pair, total 5. If I replace with right neighbor with B, so again we got 5 character, total 5 pair. So answer will be 5. So we can replace either I with left neighbor, either with right neighbor. So what we will do, first we will find the first character that is not I. So for suppose we take this example C D I D E. So in this the first character that is not I, this D. So we start from this I. What we can do, either we can replace this I with this left neighbor. So first let's try with left neighbor. So if we replace with left neighbor is D, so replace with D, so it become this. So total number of adjacent pair equal 3, total 5. So for this answer is 5. Here right neighbor also D, so answer will be same. Okay, so let's suppose this example. So here the first character we get is that is non I, means A. So here for I there is no left neighbor, so we have to replace for to it right neighbor. So we have to replace with A, so it become this. So in this total number of pair that are equal, it will be total 4. one case may be that we have to replace either with left neighbor, there is no right neighbor. The example like this, C D I. In this case, if we see there is no right neighbor, so we have to replace it with left neighbor. So total number of pair will form 4. So we have 3 cases. One, either all I are equal, means all are I, simple answer will be in this case n into k minus 1. Okay. Other case will be for any I, we can replace either with left neighbor, either with right neighbor. So for this, if I say s equal to, if I replace with left neighbor, it become this. So total number of pair have we'll get, total we get 4 pair, 1 2 3 and 4. So this is for only one copy. So we have to find for k copy. So answer will be, suppose this is a p, total number of pair will form p. So for k pair will be p into k. So in this case we don't have right neighbor, we will replace with left neighbor, and if test case is like this, so we will replace with right neighbor. So answer will be, we count for, we will replace with either left neighbor, we will right neighbor, and we will find the answer, total number of pair for one copies, and for k copies we will multiply with k. Okay, one edge case may be okay. So in this case, if we see, suppose k is 2, so in this case we will see what we can replace with a neighbor, we can replace suppose with a left neighbor. So it become total number of pair 4, total number of pair we get 4. So we get 4. So for k copies we will multiply with 2, we will get 8. But we will miss one pair, that is if I concatenate this 2 times, not this, if I concatenate this 2 times, B A B, this is one string, again we write this, so 2 times. So from first string we got total 4 pair, and from second string we got 4 pair, total 8 pair, but here we missed this pair, this we not considering. So if first character and last character are equal, so there will also means the last character of first string and the first character of second string, it again also form one pair. So in this case again, if length k we are given, so total how many pair we can form, k minus 1. Okay, so in answer, in the last we have to check what the answer is, p into k, total number of pair for one copy into k. So if s of 0 means first character is equal to last character, we will add k minus 1 also, that is your answer. So what we have to do, simply first find the index of character that is not I, and start from replace with the left neighbor and with the right neighbor, and we will count how many pair of adjacent characters that are equal for one copy, and for k copies we will multiply with k, and we can check if first character and last character are equal, then we can also add in answer k minus 1, it will also contribute. And that is special case we have to handle if all characters are I, so simply the total number of pair will be for k copies and into k minus 1. That's it.